Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn history-long questions, only way. Start by reading the question carefully and identifying its command words like analyze, compare, or evaluate. Break the prompt into the task, time frame, and limits, then jot a one-sentence thesis that answers the task directly. Build a 3 to 5 point plan with evidence for each point before you write. This keeps answers focused and exam-ready. Open with a single, confident thesis that answers the question and previews your argument in one line. Treat the thesis as the map for your whole essay, so each paragraph ties back to it explicitly. Use chronological or thematic order depending on the prompt, and signal shifts with clear topic sentences. This approach helps you stay organized under time pressure and produces coherent, persuasive long answers every time. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers are great for meal prepping study snacks and avoiding spills during long sessions, and they stack neatly in small study spaces. I use them to carry salads and smoothies between sessions with zero mess. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gather evidence before you write and place it into the plan you created from the thesis. Aim for a mix of primary and secondary details, named figures, and exact dates where relevant to strengthen claims. For each paragraph, include evidence, explanation, and a linking sentence back to the thesis. Practicing this pattern turns rambling answers into concise, high-scoring responses under exam conditions or when writing timed essays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.